So, hello everyone. Do you want to make your own complete local coins, the ultimate peer-to-peer crypto exchange platform? This video is only for you. So, in this video, we will completely make the website. We will use the local P2P coin latest variant script for making the website. So here are the price of that source code. The price of source code is $99. So you don't need to spend more money. If you want the source code, then you can contact me on WhatsApp. All the contact us information is in the description. You can contact us. We will provide you the source code and complete website services on a very reasonable price compared to market, and also provide you complete support whenever you want. So let's start the video without wasting much more time. And here, as you can see, this is the home page of the website. Each and everything that is on the website from changeable from admin panel. And here are the section of find our offers. So user can find the offers of cryptocurrencies. Over here user will put their own details and purchase the cryptocurrencies and sell their cryptocurrency also. And here are the buy cryptocurrencies. So from here user can purchase the cryptocurrencies right over here. And when user click the more, the all the cryptocurrencies are right here, and these are all the cryptocurrencies that is on the website. And here are the section of sell cryptocurrency. User can sell their cryptocurrency as well. And these are all the cryptocurrencies that is used for sell. And here are the why people choose us. These are all the section that you can change from admin panel. You can put your own details from admin panel. And here the frequently asked question of the website, here the testimonial section of the website, and here the subscriber newsletters. So this is the short overview of the website. You can change each and everything that you want. And here are the sell cryptocurrency, buy cryptocurrency section, and here the contact section. So you have to add your own right contact details after making the website. If user have any problem, then user can easily contact with you. So viewers, here are the login and registration options. So we have already account, then we will log in website. So after making the account, you will get this type of your dashboard, and these are all the cryptocurrencies. And here the BTC, Ethereum, USDT, and all the cryptocurrencies are over here. And here the refer link, you will come and copy the refer link and share with their friends. So they have earned a lot of money through this. From here user can complete their profile, user can select the advertisements, and these are all the user dashboard settings. And here are the cryptocurrencies for sell. So here are the selling cryptocurrencies. So here are the advertisements of the website. And here are the trade section. From here user can see the running trades. And here the wallet section. From this section user can deposit in any cryptocurrency that user want. Here the transaction section, and the contact section, and more. So first we will see the deposit methods. So these are all the deposit history, and here are the withdrawal history, referral history, and these are all the settings of the user dashboard. So let's see the admin panel of the website, how admin looks like and how we're gonna control it. So this is our admin login. So our admin dashboard is opened successfully. Here at the top you can see total users, active users, email unverified users, and mobile unverified users. And from here you can control each and everything that you want. You can approve the deposit of the users as well. And here are the manage ad. From here you can see the ad limits, and here are the manage trade section. So you can see the reported trades, running trades of the website. And here are the manage user section. From this section you can manage all the user of the website. You can also see the details of the users, and you can also put the balance and minus the balance, logins. You can see all the details of user is over here. And viewers, here are the deposit section. From this section you can see the details of the deposits. And here are the system setting of the website. So this is the most important section. From this section you will completely modify the website. So first section is that general settings. From this section you can control the fundamental settings of the website, like you can change the site logo, time zone, color, reported display per page, and currency as well. And here are the second option is that logo and favicon. From this section you can upload your own logo and website. So after uploading the logo, you will get your own logo and on your website. And here the system configuration section. From this section you can control the basic modules of website. You can enable the user registrations, you can enable the force SSL, agree policy, KYC verification, email verification. And here are the manage all cryptocurrency section. From this section you can add and import new cryptocurrencies over here, and these are all the important cryptocurrencies. So here are the fiat currencies, fiat gateway, payment window, referral settings. So you can set up these all services over here. And here the manage front end section, you can modify the website from this section. So viewers, it's time to build the website. So be with us and watch this video complete till the end. If you want the source code, you can contact me. So viewers, we will successfully log into our cPanel. So after log into our cPanel, we will go to the file manager and open the domain name. So first I will delete the existing files that is on my cPanel. So after deleting the website, we will upload the source code over here. So click the upload and select the file from your PC. Select the file, and this is our source code file. So I will click and our file is uploading. It will take some time. When our file upload, we will go to the database section and make a database for it. From here you can select any name for making the database. So I will add a local. From here you will create the user. So the user is created successfully. So after creating the user, we have to give all the privileges for completion of database. So click all the privileges and our database setup has been completed. From here you will copy the database name. So we will go to the file manager and see our file is still uploading. So we will wait for it. So friends, our script is uploaded now. So what we have to do is we will go to our file manager again, and here are the script file. So we will extract the script file right now. Extract the files. So our all the files are extracted successfully. So open the script file that we extracted, and here are all the files. So open the files and select all the files and move the files to the domain name. So our all the files are moved successfully. So open the new tab and enter your domain name. So the installer window is open now. So this is our Visor Lab installer window. Click I agree next step, and our all the requirement are checked and passed. So click the next step, and here are the main points. From here we have to put the database credentials over here. So we will go to the database section and copy the database name. So our database name has been copied successfully. So paste the name and user and select the host. Our host is localhost, and here are the password of the database. This is the password. Copied it and paste it here. So our next step is that we have to set up the admin credentials. So add the admin credentials right now. So this is our admin credentials. This is our website, and here as you can see, this is completely newly created website. Here are my domain name, you can check it properly. And this is our website overview. So this is most professional website. And here are the buy sell services. This is completely newly website, that's why there is no any services here. So go to the admin panel of the website. So let's slash admin, add the admin password and username. This is the admin dashboard of the website, and here as you can see, here are the total users, total active users, manage ad section, manage trade section. So this is most advanced trading local P2P coin script. So if you want the script, then you can contact me on WhatsApp. All the contact us information is in the description. You can contact us, we will provide you source code on a very reasonable price compared to market. So thank you for watching.